Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you a project called Gym Management System. We all know that we have to stay fit and healthy to be happy and long lasting in our lives. And for that we have to do exercise, some workouts and all this stuff to stay energized throughout all the day. For this thing we almost won't think about the gym and we have to attend it. So there we will find some memberships, we enroll, a trainer will train us, all this stuff will happen in a gym. So we have come up with an idea that we can actually enroll into a gym through online. So we have created this website for this purpose. Let's look at the flow of this website once. This is the flow diagram of the management system. In this project, we have two modules which are admin and customer. Admin in this project will have predefined login credentials such as email and password. With those predefined login credentials, admin will log in. After logging into his account, admin will add the memberships like quarter, annual, and all this kind of memberships will he add. After adding them, admin can view all the memberships. Here, after viewing the memberships, admin able to delete or update the membership if you wanted. Whenever admin deleted or updated the memberships, this will be reflected into the customers' enrollments as well. Now let's look at the customer module. Customers need to register by giving their email, name, phone number, address, their height, weight, etc. and register. After successful registration, customers can log in. After logging into their accounts, they can view their profile and they can change their height, weight, mail, everything they have given while their registration. Customers can view memberships. Whatever the memberships they have, they can enroll for it by clicking on enroll button. After enrolling, they can view their enrollments in view my enrollments option, and admin able to see all the enrollments to the memberships he was previously added. So let's look at the website once. This is our homepage. As we have known, administrator have default login credentials such as admin@gmail.com and password as admin. After logging into his account, admin will add the memberships. If it's annual, how many months it will took, how many hours are there for this membership. 3 hours. If 3 hours, how much they are charging. So membership added, so we can see the memberships here. These are all the memberships available currently. So if admin wants to update it, we are by clicking on update button, we know that already details will preoccupied. We can change them. If the hours is 4, you can change, and the price 35. It's updated. Yeah, update successfully. We can see here 4 hours per day, and it is $35. If admin wants to delete it, he can delete. So let's see, only one membership has left. So log out. Now we have seen customers have to register first by giving their name, first name, last name, email, phone number, height, and their weight. What is the LBS? Age they have to mention, and password. Registration successful. After successful registration, customers can log in by giving their name, email ID, password. This is the customer's page. When they click on profile, they can view all their profile details. If they want to change it, if they want to change their height, which is 5 centimeters, not a good thing, so 140 we can give it. So profile updated successfully, we can see here updated. Now when they click on view memberships, this is the annual memberships. Per day it will be 4 hours, it will be 12 months duration, and the price per hour. So enrolled successfully, we can see their enrolled memberships here. Now let's see, admin can able to see that admin@gmail.com, and when I click on view customer enrollment, admin able to see which membership they have enrolled, customer name, their age and price, everything, enrollment date as well. So after enrollment completion of annual 12 months, this thing will be displayed. This is all about gym management system, and thank you very much for watching.